Right away, this case sounds dramatic. Someone claiming they were nearly killed in a grocery store parking lot. But when emotions run high, the law doesn't care about how afraid you felt. It cares about what actually happened.
Okay, we're here for case number 7626, Linda Craven versus Michelle Jones. Hello, ladies.
Hi.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Ms. Craven, it shows here that you're filing a suit against Ms. Jones for the amount of $75,000. Does that sound correct to you?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And Ms. Jones, it shows here that you're filing a countersuit against Ms. Craven for $5,500. Does that sound correct to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Craven, what's going on, ma'am?
Well, Your Honor, she hit me with her car. In the parking lot of the grocery store, she came at me like she was going to run me over with her car.
She is
Wait a
lying.
minute, hold on, I'll get to you.
I had no way to defend myself except for with the cart that I had in my hand. If I hadn't thrown a cart at her car, she would have killed me. She would have run me over.
Okay, so I'm going to make sure I'm understanding this correctly. You're in a parking lot, correct?
Yes,
and
Your Honor.
you're having your cart with your shopping cart.
I was bringing my shopping cart back to the stall where you put it back.
Yes.
And she came at me out of nowhere with her car.
Okay.
I thought she was going to kill me. She was going to run me over. The only way I had to defend myself was to push the cart towards her car.
Okay.
Because otherwise she would have killed me.
Notice how quickly the word self-defense gets repeated. That word carries weight in court, but it's not a magic shield. You don't get to use it just because you felt angry, embarrassed, or disrespected. This is where everything changes. Because now it's not just stories anymore. Now there's video.
What's going on with this situation?
So everything that she is explaining is exactly the opposite. I am the one. She became very upset that I didn't put my shopping cart back. All she had to do was mind her business. I did nothing to her. Instead, she literally came at me because I didn't put my cart back and she rammed her shopping cart into my car. I did not get inside of my vehicle yet to even leave the parking lot. And I have footage of this. I literally recorded it on my cellular device.
This is one of those moments where reality hits hard. The judge isn't guessing. He's watching. And what he sees doesn't match what he's hearing. That gap between belief and evidence is where cases fall apart.
See this video that you took. Thank you. Yeah, that looks like you.
Thank you.
You want to tell me what happened again?
She tried to hit me with her car. That's what happened. I told you what happened. She tried to hit me with her car, and I defended myself the only way I could with my shopping cart that I was taking back to the stall.
But the problem is her video doesn't exactly show your version of events.
Well, I don't know what kind of movie magic she's using. I don't know how to do that.
Ma'am, I want to make sure. Okay, I know what my eyes saw. Okay, and I'm trying my best to see it from your vantage point, because sometimes, depending on the angle, the situation may look different for one person than it does for another person. You understand where I'm coming from?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but what I'm trying to understand is, you said that you were walking through the parking lot and that she tried to hit you with the car, and the only way that you had to defend yourself was to move your cart in the direction of her, the direction that her vehicle was traveling to, in your words, defend yourself from getting hit by the car. Okay, the problem is her car was in a parking stall, and what I saw was your cart hitting her car, and the car wasn't moving.
Stationary. That single word destroys the entire self-defense argument. A parked car can't attack you. Fear doesn't turn property damage into protection. And now we get to the real trigger. Not danger, not threat, but irritation. A shopping cart. Something small, something petty, something that spiraled completely out of control.
Well, I don't know what kind of editing she might have done on her device
Okay.
because I haven't seen it. I don't know what kind of editing she did. I don't know what kind of movie magic she can do,
Okay.
but maybe she doctored it. I don't know.
Okay.
That's
Ma'am, this $5,500, I'm assuming that's for the damage to your vehicle?
correct.
Okay, what type of damage did you occur?
So bumper damage. My trunk was actually like in the video. You see, she rammed
I
it into
saw
it quite
that.
a few times. That's some irate behavior. I don't know what she had going on that day, but she literally folded in my bumper to my trunk. I don't understand how she did that. For her to be such a little woman, she was so angry.
I did see that.
I'm angry because she was trying to kill me. She was trying to run me over.
How am I trying to kill
ma'am,
you?
ma'am,
She was trying to
but
run me
ma'am,
over.
the car was not in motion. It was stationary.
She backed into me. She was trying to back into me.
So what you're telling me, oh boy, give me a second. Give me a second. Hold on. Okay, I'm ready now. I want to make sure I understand this correctly. So what you're telling me is what I saw was her car backing into your shopping cart
She was
multiple times.
she was backing into me, and I used the cart to protect myself because I thought she was going to hit me. I had no other option. What other
Ma'am,
option did I have?
But ma'am, the car, you do know what the word stationary means, correct?
Yes.
The
Yes, yeah.
car was completely stationary. The only thing that was not stationary in that video was you with the shopping cart going back and forth.
This isn't about carts anymore. It's about ego, about feeling disrespected and needing to win the moment. And courts see through that every time.
So the damages that you caused for that, because here's the thing. If you're walking in the parking lot and there's a car backing, I don't understand. I don't understand why. And I've seen people do it where they'll tap the person's car or whatever because maybe she wasn't paying attention. Okay, let's say that's true. But you tap the person's car or whatever, but the video shows you ramming the car repeatedly. The video shows the car was stationary.
I didn't ram it repeatedly.
And you said that you guys didn't know each other prior to the incident.
Right.
So something led up to that. And she's saying that you're upset over the fact that she didn't put the cart back, which she admitted that she didn't do.
Well,
And you're saying, look, I don't know what her problem is. She was just trying to hit me and I was just defending myself. So you say she attacked you for no reason.
well, personally, I don't understand why she couldn't walk 10 feet to put her cart back. I don't get that.
Okay.
But why is that any of your business?
Okay, hold on. But ma'am, why? Oh boy. I'm trying to get some understanding to your logic here. You're upset that she didn't put the cart back. I got that part. I understand that part. But, and don't get me wrong, it irritates me too. I don't understand why people can't put the cart back. You know, I go to the supermarket and there'll be a shopping cart right there in the space for the car. And now you got to get out of the car, move the cart, and then so you can park. And I get that. And
It's disrespectful.
And the thing is
It's
only like,
disrespectful.
and the stall is like, the shopping stall is like what? Maybe like 12 feet at best. It's annoying. I get that. I understand that. You know, shame on you for doing that. But what I'm saying is this. Why did it irritate you so much that you had to engage her like that?
It's disrespectful. It would have taken her, another 30 seconds to put it away? It's
Okay.
disrespectful. The next person now can't park in that spot because she's left the cart there.
Okay. Did you consider saying, hey, next time you should put your cart there because someone's car may park there? And she may say it's none of your business, you know what? Oh, you old crazy lady, leave me alone. And then you let it go. You get in your car and you drive off. But when it gets confrontational, where it starts to get a little physical, now we've run into a problem. And the problem, according to that video that I saw, is that you were upset and you started ramming her car in retaliation.
This is the lesson moment, because courtrooms don't reward escalation. They punish it. The ruling isn't emotional. It's logical. You damage property, you pay for it, even if you feel justified.
You're not going to win that argument in this courtroom. I am sorry. She's saying that she wants $5,500 for the damages. You're paying that $5,500 for the damages. If you guys happen to see each other in the same parking lot, I recommend that one of you just go to the other side or whatever to avoid any type of communication with one another. All right?
I'll shop at another store.
That's even better. Your case is dismissed. You will be granted $5,500.
What's hardest to watch is the refusal to reflect, even after the evidence, even after the ruling. Accountability never shows up, and that's often the real tragedy in cases like this. Not the money, not the cart, not even the argument, but the inability to step back and say, I went too far.
I don't understand. I mean, apparently you can't defend yourself anymore. If somebody attacks you, you're expected to what? Just take it? Doesn't make any sense. And now I have to pay her for defending myself? Ridiculous. Ridiculous. The legal system just does not work anymore. It doesn't.
Thank you, Judge Porter, for ruling in my favor. I'm happy that my car is going to get repaired, but that lady, she's insane. She needs a mental health evaluation. Something's wrong with her. But if I see her the next time, I'm literally going the opposite direction. If she come at me again, we're just going to be here all over again. So